model, 67-plate Iveco daily 35S14V 2.3 HPI Euro 6 spares OR repairs donor body, white, fridge freezer mileage, 119,476 engine, 2,287 cc F1 AGL 411 JC transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine has seized condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear fridge area is very clean. This is a fridge-freezer van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £8,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.